Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to use something called tangrams or other shapes to make the shape in the middle. So let me show you how we're going to do this. We have some triangles and some squares down at the bottom, and we have a different shape up at the top. It's a rectangle. So we're going to use our triangles and squares to fill in our rectangle shape. So I'm going to take this square and I'm going to move it up to this rectangle. Try to get it right in there. There we go. All right. So there's one square. I can put another square inside of that to make a rectangle. So this isn't going to exactly match up because it's kind of hard to show you this on the computer, but I'm going to get it as close as I can. There we go. So there is a rectangle. I can also use some triangles to fill in my rectangle. So I can do one there and this one here. Scoot this over a little bit. And then I have just enough space here should be enough space for a square that I can put here to make a rectangle. So if I have all those shapes together, that gives me a rectangle. I can also do one like it showed me on the side with some triangles like this. And then a triangle in the middle. I'm going to have to flip this one around so it'll fit in that space to make a rectangle. So that's about as close as I can get there. So those are some different ways to make a rectangle. Looking at our next shape, we have a triangle that we're going to try to make by using other triangles and squares. So I can put a square in this corner right here. And then I can put a triangle on this side. Let me flip that around. Like that. And a triangle on this side. And flip that around. Like that. So I can use my shapes at the bottom of my screen to help me make the shapes at the top. This activity is called tangrams. So I'm going to send your parents some paper that you can print out that has tangrams that you can cut out and use to make different shapes using the tangrams. You can also find these at the store. They are plastic usually, and you can make some tangrams that way too. So it's a fun activity to see how you can use shapes to make another shape. So I hope you have fun seeing all the ways that you can make the different shapes this week.